Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Spotlight for math and currency conversions on iPhones. So basically, this feature is pretty obvious and it works right away. You don't have to enable anything on your iPhone for it to start working. Just make sure that you updated your software to the latest version. Go to settings, go to general settings, go to software update, and make sure that you are using the latest iOS version. And then return to the home screen and open Spotlight by either tapping the search button on your home screen or swiping the Spotlight down from the top of the home screen. Then let's input some simple math equation like 10 plus 15, and we will get the result immediately. We can also use multiplying and divisions. So 10 times 50 or 10 divided by 10, or we can also use square roots functions. So square root of 100, not 1000, and we will get it too. Or we can set the power to a number, for example, like this. And in order to convert currencies, you just have to input, for example, 50 EUR to JPY, and you will get the 50 euros converted to yens or maybe USD, and you will get a result according to the current exchange rate. You can also use some additional features like converting temperature, for example, or distances like 5 kilometers to miles, and we already got the result, so I'm not gonna even finish this. We can input 30 C in Fahrenheit, and we get the amount in Fahrenheit. And so that's how you use this feature. That's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.